Joey, whoop, you over there? Joey, how are you, man? It's Adrian. Hey, I am currently on Screencast-O-Matic, and Screencast-O-Matic allows you to do an inlay of a video of a presentation. It also allows you to have whatever's on your desktop be recorded, and it's outlined by this line right here, and you can change the size of that. So for example, if I go into PowerPoint here, you can follow my mouse up and I go File, and I want to go ahead and do New, bam. Slide, and here, to get there, it's Medic.com. You can use it to do with video, not so video, but or just a voiceover. Slide. I also took a look at Zoom, and Zoom was actually pretty easy to figure out. I wasn't going to go ahead and link you in on the presentation I was doing, but it's pretty easy to figure out. You get a confirmation email, and there's different features that allow you to do annotations. Now the big difference is, we'll lay this out here. So the differences are, I want this one. Layout, boom. So, and then we got Zoom. Multiple participants. To review, or for without dialogue. LOGUE, I think I got that right. Let's do this, put this here, that, and do a little picture. We'll go bottle of scotch, and you can have 3. How about that? Yeah, there it is. I can go ahead and insert bottle of tequila. Oh, Don Julio, that sounds yummy right about now. Cropped it into the corner. Huge. Hold on. There you go. And that's the end of that presentation. Got it? That's with Screencast-O-Matic, you have max 15 minutes. Got it, bud? Catch you later.